Hi guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's Mac with 9B4 on the family. And today I'm in Gloucestershire at Cooper's Hill for the cheese roll. This is going to be a lot of fun. Guys, this is one of the most dangerous races in all the world. It's been banned and then brought back. There have been people injured, but trust me, you're going to hold on to your seat tight. And let me show you how I got here. Our day started early with a 2-hour drive to Brockworth. Once parked, we started the miles-long walk to Cooper's Hill. The annual cheese rolling in Gloucestershire is an extreme sport that draws in visitors and participants from across the world. With a history that dates back hundreds of years, the Cooper Hill cheese race has recently exploded in popularity due to the advent of social media. The race consists of participants chasing a wheel of Double Gloucester cheese down a 200-yard long hill. What makes this race an extreme sport is that the slope of the hill face is near vertical, making it almost impossible to control your descent. And that's the best part of the cheese race, the fact that the local rugby team is at the base of the hill to politely catch you and stop your descent. Maybe it got struck by lightning? First hurdle for anyone attending the race in person is the actual miles-long hike to get to Cooper's Hill. The hike starts out pleasant enough as you're just walking along through the fields, but it very quickly elevates into something much more challenging. I highly suggest you wear closed-toe shoes, hiking boots. That would be the best for this type of excursion. So just getting to this event is part of the adventure. We have to climb up this massive hill. There's divots, it's uneven ground, so you get exercise in. Even if you're not going downhill, you have to go uphill. The hike up was extremely photogenic. The kids and I really enjoyed it. Beautiful views and livestock on all sides. As we made it to the top of the hill, the energy became almost electric as you could feel everyone's anticipation as we waited for the start of the cheese roll. Although we arrived an hour and a half before the event started, it's obvious that we needed to be there much earlier if we wanted to get one of the best seating locations. As the crowd packed in tighter around us, it was time to get started. The cheese roll was about to begin. There were three types of racers: those who threw themselves down the hill with no regard for life or limb. The second type was those who came down slowly but gingerly. And then the third were those who kind of scooted down the hill and really made the whole thing a lot slower. But they were also a lot safer. At the end of every downhill race, there was a period of pausing and waiting to allow those who were injured to be cared for and removed from the field. And to give you perspective, this is Cooper Hill standing at the bottom looking up to the top. The next race up was not a downhill race but an uphill race where the participants raced from the bottom of the hill up to the top. Although the likelihood of injuries were lower, it was equally as challenging because this hill again is incredibly steep. With a bird's eye view, you can get a good idea of exactly how many people attended the cheese roll this year in 2023. It was packed. With the slopes of Cooper Hills packed, there were still hundreds if not thousands of people in attendance who couldn't get anywhere near the actual race location.
Yes, yeah.
Let's applaud the man on Come on, red man! Come on, man in red, run! Well done, guys, run! Stay steady, don't get excited as you get to the last bit, think you've done it because you really have not.
The last official race was the most hectic. After the last official injured participant was removed from the course, the unofficial races started. And guys, this was crazy.
Once again, thank you everyone, Brockworth cheese roll right at the end. Thank you well.
Guys, that was a blast. We had a fun time. There are people still rolling down the hill. We're heading home. Listen, if you like this, be sure to like and subscribe.
It was fun. I think up there. I think it was really cool and dangerous.
Don't jump. There you go. Bring your other leg over. Don't jump. There. Trey, what's that?
My walking stick.
Your walking stick? Let me see you walk with it. No, put it down.